David's working on filling up the hopper. We got a bunch of smaller bins here, and they're all kind of getting empty at once. So me and Jay both came over. Jay's in that bin. He's cleaning this one out. I'm gonna hop in this one with, got a pour design. The auger comes out the opposite way of the door. So I'm gonna climb in, get it going, get that sweep bun covered. So we'll have two bins sweeping here. Then we'll get that hopper full. Yeah, I'm in here. Yeah, get the sweep bun cover. It's right here on this bin. The door's right over there. Trying to come in from up there. So get this one covered. Then I'll go back out and shut it off. Get the sweep kick on. I'll sweep the walls too. Walls need swept off just a little bit. You probably can't tell. While Jay's cleaning the other bins. So, emptying bins. Spent all year trying to fill them up, and then the rest of the year trying to get them empty. Sweep uncovered, and it is going now. There's a full circle around, brings it to the middle. All right, it shut off on me, so that must mean the hopper tank's full, because we've got a sensor on top when that happens to shut stuff off, so we don't overflow it and break stuff. I'm about almost halfway around in this bin, not quite. Let's see how Jay's doing on his. He might have his about cleaned out. Well, Jay's, he got about a quarter left. He's about got his clean.
Dust masks do their job.
That's right.
Damn. You imagine if you had to breathe all that in, if there was no dust mask, it'd be miserable. Especially for me, because I got allergies.
We had one guy who worked here got farmer's lung because he wasn't wearing them. Brooks Muir, he started wearing them after that.
Really?
Yeah. Should have got started up, or a video of it starting up, but it's running. Let's see if it works. We're gonna move a snow pile where the new dryer's gonna go, just in case. Well, so it can get melted somewhere else out of the way, just in case you want to come start on it sometime. That is a giant snowball. You can have a heck of a snowman out of this one. A big one. Here comes Kalen back in. Day of hauling soybeans. What you got going on? What are you working on?
Trying to get this stupid thing. I said it, stupid. Dang, it's all messed up.
Oh, were you? Got the concrete bolt in?
I broke it.
I was more talking about this.
So we're gonna put this, it's another piece.
That piece?
Hose slides through there, strap goes on here. You adjust the cable, it's, you know, an endless cable here. And then when you got a weight inside the tube, then you just pull it and it retracts.
There you go, keep the fuel hoses up, huh? All right.
That's money, dude.
All right, Jarrett pulling up for the first fill up. Jay's project here.
Yeah, I take full credit for that, me and Reese.
I didn't do hardly anything.
Yeah, but he still helped, so I'm gonna give him full credit because Reese, my boy.
I showed up when it was done. I'm that guy on the group project.
Well, hey.
Well, let's see it in action. Let's see it work. Yeah, no more hoses on the ground. Don't gotta reel them up anymore. Oh, looky here. You want me to hand you a hose? Let's hand her over. No problem. That's a turn it on. Yep. All right. Fill up station. Yep. We got to shim that pipe a little bit and paint it. But besides that, it's all done.
Hopefully, no more rotten hoses.
Look at that one over there. This tractor guy still has her on the ground. Losers.
Yeah. Tractor guys.
Need another one now.
I blame that on the bean guys normally.
They drag his concrete down.
Yeah, they do.
It's all right.
Bad company corrupts good morals. We try.
Back at David's. See, we got 2 bins cleaned out. This one and that one's the one for Monday. David and Jay got those cleaned out. Now we're cleaning out this one, that one, and the far one. They're all getting empty at once. That it?
Yep, seems like the guys got along all right with the new field thing yesterday. So I'm gonna get it painted today, and then gotta shim up the bottom because for some reason the concrete's just not quite true right there, so there's a little bit of give.
Blaming the concrete guys.
And
Jay's in the bin. Looks like we developed a leak. We're gonna climb up, see what it is. Got a hole where the leg ducks down into this auger that takes it to the hopper.
Yeah. Let's see if I got some duct tape. That'll fix it.
We'll see if that works. You know what they say, you can't duck it. Try something else. All right, it's fixed. I went out there, forgot to take the GoPro out. It's all fixed for now. All right, got the hopper full. Time for some repairs now. Like one that Jay was in the bin with here.
Shaft and everything's turning, but the wheel's not turning. It just has some spacers and rubber pieces for a wheel that holds it on there. It just needs wedged a little tighter, thing. So gonna do that.
Hopefully get that going. Getting low over here. Before long, we're just gonna have beans in Indiana and nowhere else.
Well, I had 2 washers to the outside. That's the tightest thing I could get, to that and a rubber piece. Had seat clamps on both sides. We'll see if it runs with it. Get these blocks out of here.
All right, it works. I get come back over here and get our shut off turned back on because we don't want to forget about that. I was just make sure it works. So I'm gonna turn my auto shut off switch back on where that sensor is engaged to pick it out when it gets full. Then the bin immediately shuts off and everything else is off on a timer, so it empties out. Don't shut off full, then it won't want to start. 2 trucks made it back, so we're back. Emptying out bins, 1 empty today. So that makes 3 total the last 2 days, and this one don't have much left. And 2 more sweeping. So everything getting empty at the same time over here. Yep, full again. Let's go back to the shop. Looks like Jay's emptying out the rye out of the Salford tender treater. Walking up to the top bin 8 today. I did not bring my GoPro yesterday. Just more cleaning out bins mostly. Of all the bins here, we had 8 here at David's that had beans in them. We are now down to 2. One hardly has anything left in it. This big one here has got a 1/4 of a turn left. I'm walking to the top to open the lids back up because it rained yesterday. Not as much as they called for, but it's 50 degrees right now, so it's wet around. Not much snow left. There's a few piles and some spots in the shade still there, so it's about the thing of a pass till we get another one. There, that helps being able to see. Had quite a few stuck to the wall in this bin. That's what's left. I climbed the pile up here so I'd be able to reach it good, but the rest are clean. Just a few pods stuck to the walls over here. And I'm sure beneath this pile, so that's why I wanted to come up here. This is the new sweep.
a paddle sweep. Just got paddles on the bottom that drags there. All you gotta really do is just shovel up the outside, let it go around a couple times, and then sweep it. Or so I'm told. The other guys have used this in another bin. The newest one, I have not. And this is the first time we've had this in this bin. We had to do some replacing on it. This is the one that crinkled. Those are some new bin rings there. So we did that. We wanted to put a paddle sweep in and a drag underneath this one, which will open up both ways. Which is also nice. What's not nice are those. I'll go get them though. Here's your better look. Got two real healthy drive wheels there. Paddle goes underneath, sweeps it. Through the middle. Let's look at the drag. It pulls off the bottom. Look at the drag. It pulls off the bottom. And it just dumps it right here in the middle. You can see it leaves, I don't know, an inch or so. But these are designed to go around more than once, so it's supposed to get it a lot closer than that second time. Only the shoveling you're supposed to do is right out here, where I'm doing, which is not much. It's that little bit it don't get. I'll probably shovel a little more than I need to. It's a lot safer too. I never stand on an auger. Just getting these few pods off. That looks like more what it actually leaves because I cleaned the walls off. Right there's all it actually leaves on the edge. I do have to say that this thing does not like bean pods very well. I think this is the spot where Morse was running his combine before we had all the parts, so it's a little dirty after we put it in the ditch. But it can we've had it kick out 2 times. Now we got Jay watching it because get too many pods in center hole, it's working too hard and then it kicks out. Yeah. We also had some problems this winter getting it out through the middle. I see why. It's got to get through all that, get down to that hole. So might not just be good for pods or something we got to change here.
You got to jabber a little bit, and then when you're sitting over here doing nothing, you just grip on this. Just a little bit of weightlifting.
I'm getting the cardio. I'm scraping the walls.
I ain't doing much, but everybody already knows I don't do much.
Your job's important though.
It is important.
Hopefully they can hear us. I don't know if they can or not.
Can you hear me?
That's how much it leaves. Not much. We got done with that. There was just one spot that was bad with pods. Not like it's whole bin or nothing. Let you know, George, we got it. We got her cleaned up. But it's on the second way around right now. Look how clean's getting the outside. Let go a few times. I think it'll all be like that. Should also mention, since I was kind of dogging it, about the center getting filled up with pods. Good thing about this is too, you have side holes just not on one side but on 2 because of the drag. So if you do have that problem, you can take them out of the side holes. Well, this trip number 3 around, it's a pretty low. I'm just kind of sweeping to keep up with it because it takes a while to get around. I'm wondering if that's actually the center hole through there. Is it just that? I'll check that out when I get out here. That's what happens when you start talking when you don't know what you're talking about. I just opened up the side holes. That one there is also a middle. There's 2 middles. I didn't know that. Now I do. And here's the other side. That one is clean. That one is. That one's got seed beans in it. That one over there. So, out of regular beans, David decides what's in the hopper, which is 3 loads maybe. That's a guess. I'm gonna go up and check it here in a second.